Do you want to know which is the best visa to help you settle permanently in Australia? If yes, listen up and take note. You don't need to have studied or worked in Australia to be eligible and to apply for this visa. Also, you can be anywhere in the world and consider applying for this visa. This is the most sought after permanent visa to work and live in Australia and eventually become an Australian citizen on eligibility. Well, the visa we're talking about is the subclass 189 skilled independent points tested permanent visa for skilled individuals who aren't sponsored by an Australian employer or an eligible family member or nominated by a state or territory. Let's take a quick peek at the process. 1. To apply for this visa, one must submit an expression of interest and be invited via Skill Select. The applicant must have an occupation on the medium and long term strategic skills list. That is, an occupation from the list of 212 occupations. 2. When invited for this visa, one will have 60 days to submit the visa application along with the necessary evidence and required documentation for visa processing. 3. Once a visa has been granted, the visa holder and the accompanying family members will be able to live, work, and study in Australia as permanent residents. Now let's look at the eligibility criteria. An applicant must 1. Have a positive skills assessment for the relevant occupation. 2. Have at least competent English, that is, a score of 6 in each component of IELTS. 3. Score at least 65 points to be invited to apply. 4. Must be under the age of 45 when they receive an invitation to apply for this visa. And 5. Must meet the health and character requirements prescribed for this visa. The applicant is able to include their partner and any dependent children along with their application. Want to know more about this visa and how you can benefit? Or understand how to gain more points and increase your chances of receiving an invitation? Connect with us.